Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Turns out this is a 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4-star Sudoku number 9471. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have here 2 twos, we have here 1, 2, 3 twos, 2 threes, 1 4, 2 fives, 3 fives, 1 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 1 2 3, 4 eights. All right. And 3 9. So the 8s are majority. Can I start with 8? Yes, 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 8 8. No 8 here, no 8 here. 8 8. 8 8. No 8 here. Need 8 here. Alright. Oh, we have 4 9s. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 2. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. What's happening? 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left is 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 5. Need a 5 here, 1 5, need a 6. Here can be 6, 6. You need a 6 in the middle column. Well, here can be 6, we have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 and need a 5, okay. Well, need a 1 here. Come on, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, on that column, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. 2 2 2. Well, need a 2 there. Need a 3 here. We have a pair, the 3 and a 9 in the first row, the 3 and a 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left, 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So in this row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 7 7 7. 2. Need a 1 here. Need a 6. Ay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left are 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here. How about here? 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Okay. 8, 2. Need a 7 here. 6, 5, 6. Should be here. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here or there. Need a 5. Well, 5, 5, 5. Come on, come on, come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left is 6 should be down. 8 in the 3. 8 in the 3. Come on. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Six, I need a 5. Need a 1. Need a 3. 3. No 3. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, there are only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So I need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, there are only 2 places left with 1. Could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here also. Need a 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, here we have a 7. That means in the second column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left 2 should be here. No 2 here, no 2 here, 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6, and 8. Come on, come on, come on. No 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. 6, 6, 6. 9, 9, 9, 5, 5, 5, 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this middle row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left with a 5 in this big square, should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left with a 6. Could be here, could be there. I think the 6 should be here. Because in this row we need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be here. Need a 6 there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1. No. 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. That means 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 1, 2, 4. Okay. 3, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row. Only place level 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Then let me see. Need an 8 here. Okay, 8 and the 3 are missing here. Come on. 3 and 8. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Well. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 3 places left with 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 3, 4, 2, 7. 2, 7, 3, 4, 2, 7. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here 2, so the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 7, 1, and 4. 1, 7, and 4. 1, 7, and 4. 1 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 2 is missing here. 2 numbers left. 4 numbers. 1 and 4 then. 1 and 4. Here also 1, 2, 2, need a 2. Oh, we have a 2 there. 3, 9, and 3 and the 4 are left. Eight and the 3 are left there. 8 and the 3. Here we have a pair. 3 and 8. Here also 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So 4 and 8. Well, difficult. 3 and 8. We have a pair here. We have a pair here, 3 and 8, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. That box should be an 8. 3 on 8. We have an 8 here, so this box should be a 3. That box should be an 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so this box should be a 3. One box left in this big square for number 8. 1 and a 4. 2 numbers left. 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 7 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes. Elevated 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes at there. 3 or a 4. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4. 3 or 4. We have a 4 in this column, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 4. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished. 16 minutes. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes on railway. Pleased with the time. Not the 4, not the 3. But the 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.